Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming at you with another video on how to apply liquid lipstick and to get a bigger, sexy, juicy pout. If you want to see how, then please keep watching. I'm gonna start off with hair removal, which is an important part because we don't want to grab attention to our little tiny suckers on top of our lips. So I'm taking the wheat hair removal strips here and then gently but painfully removing my hair. I also remove hair from my chin as well, so we have a very clean canvas to work with. The second step here is to scrub your lips. Yes, you guys, chappy dry lips are not sexy at all because you'll have several lines on your lips that it's just not really good at all. So I'm gonna scrub the heck out of my lips. For that I'm using some honey and sugar, which tastes good as well. So here you can see the before and the after. So yeah, that's why you should scrub. So again, I'm gonna go with a lip balm, and then step 4 is going to be taping your lips. Yes, applying tiny little tapes around your mouth really helps you get rid of the lip shade spills and stuff like that. This trick will especially work if you're a beginner, so give it a try and let me know. And also, if you don't have a lip pencil, just take a lip brush and then just dip it in the color that you're going for and then apply it. So before applying, make sure that your lips are really taut and tight so that we are getting a precise line. So just go around your lips just like this to the way you want, the shape you like, but make sure you do not overline your lips at this point, because if you do it, then your lips is going to look overdrawn. Yeah, I know, allergies, that sucks. So anyway, I'm gonna draw the lower part of my lip as well with the lip brush. So once I'm happy with the outline, I'm just gonna fill that ever so slightly and then go ahead with the liquid lipstick of my choice. So for my lip, sorry, that's my bird. So I'm gonna fill in the lips with the liquid lipstick. Here I'm using the pink liquid lipstick from a new company. I don't know which, so I'm gonna leave that in the description box below. So as you can see, I'm filling my lips and you can already see that some of the lip shades has been spilling on the outer corner of my lips, but the taping helps to get rid of all the spills and get a more like a clean, crisp finish. So when you think you're ready, just take the tapes off. As you can see, the lines are very crisp and clean, and we can even clean that up with concealer, which I'm going to show later in the video. Okay, so if you have some broken lines that you need to connect together, you can do that at this point. Take your own time and then just connect those little broken lines to make it even prettier. Now I'm taking a little concealer brush, taking concealer that one shade lighter than my skin tone, and I am going to erase some of the imperfections around my lip just like that. So the key is here, make sure that you're taking your own time and then just cleaning the edges off ever so slightly, because we don't want to overdo it and then it's going to be a big mess and then we'll have to redraw it again. So take your time with this process and you'll get there. So at this point, if you want to make your lips bigger, this is the time to overdraw your lips. You can make tiny little strokes go around your lip and then make to the size that you want. So now as you can see, when I make my lips bigger, it's not going to look like I'm overdrawing it or looking very alien or artificial. And then keep filling in the lips until you like it. So this is the final result, you guys. I hope you like it. So if you don't want the lipstick to stick in your teeth, you can put a finger in your lips and just pull it out so that no lipstick is stuck in your teeth. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also to ring the notification bell so that you will be notified every single time that I post a video. Also, yeah, please give it a big thumbs up, and until we see you again next time in another video. Bye!